here, Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. Wilkowski from the outside, rushing by the rails, World Mistress. And on the outside is Dynamic Love, Lake Cayman, Manila, Sir Goody, Yes Joey, and Panamera is bring up the rear. Wilkowski, followed by World Mistress Badral, alongside his Dynamic Love, Sir Goody, in between runners. Lake Cayman, Manila is running Badral, Yes Joey, and Panamera is still bring up the rear. And passing the last 850, World Mistress now the leader, followed by Sir Goody in second. Dynamic Love is racing third, fourth. In between runners is Wilkowski, and rounding the far turn, World Mistress by a neck, and Sir Goody on the outside, and 3 lengths corner back third, Lake Cayman, Manila, as they swing for a World Mistress by a neck, and Sir Goody on the outside, Lake Cayman, Manila, Dynamic Love, and on the further outside is Yes Joey. Sir Goody takes the lead, World Mistress, Lake Cayman, Manila, Dynamic Love, Yes Joey on the further outside, Dynamic Love by the Lake Cayman, Manila, Yes Joey, and finally it's Dynamic Love, Lake Cayman, Manila, Yes Joey, Wilkowski.